What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Jordy B. Oh man, frustrated right now. As you read in the title, I got some exhaust problems. Now, you guys know I took this to a local exhaust shop. I'm not gonna call any names. And I had them run my downpipe from the back of my turbo back to the factory Buick exhaust. And it's got flow mats on it. It's wide. It's your basic. We cut it off right at where the converter would have bolted. Well, it was already off the car. But so I had a V-band, put a V-band on the bottom, and a V-band course naturally to the back of the turbo. But let me show you guys what happened. I went to go start this car today to run a warm-up enrichment because it's like 70 degrees out here, almost 80 degrees in North Carolina. And I want to run warm-up enrichment. I want to do it at different temperatures. The other day I did it like 60. Today I was going to do it like high 70s, 80s. Well, low 80s. And then when it gets cold again, 30s and 40s, I'll run another startup enrichment, auto tune, and then that will cover, my vast, all the parameters. But anyway, let me stop rambling on. Let me show you what I got. All right. So I went to start it up. I noticed I started hearing a lot of noise, guys. And I'm going to just get right to it. Of course, when you buy V-bands, it comes with a male, a female, and the clamp. The bottom's right. And I had one around here. I don't know what it did with it. Okay, so here's my clamp, of course. If you know how V-bands work, it puts two flanges together and then pulls them tight. And I had one around here, guys. I don't know what I just had. Oh, there we go. So, V-band. The V-bands I use, eBay V-bands, stainless steel. They work perfectly fine. I know why this one's leaking now, though. So, as you can see, this would be the female. And why it's the female is you see the ridge in it. The other side has a protruding lip that interlocks into that and creates a seal. This is actually the other side of the one side of the V-band that we did not have to use for my turbo. This is the side he should have used, because this flange off the back of this turbo goes as such. It does not use a male and female. It uses a female to female. This one particular adapter does not have a recessed groove cut in it for what he has up here. As you can see, it has the groove. So with that being said, it was going to leak eventually. And if you can look, you see that discoloration right there? It's been leaking there the whole time. It just finally got loud, as you can see right here. So, my philosophy behind this one is I'm going to have to pull this downpipe out, which is not hard. Now, mind you, when I went to go pick the car up, he had the whole exhaust redone. I mean, the whole downpipe built, and forgot to put in the oxygen sensor bong. So he had to take it out. We had to put it back on the lift. I was about to load this on the trailer, guys. So, we had to pull the car back into the shop, pull it out, and it took maybe 15 minutes. He put that bong in. So, my pipe is easy to get out, but that's besides the point. You have to, sometimes when you're taking stuff to these guys, man, you got to actually specify what you want. Especially if you know what you know how to build stuff. As myself, it's just easier for me. Yes, I would have built this myself. I would have welded it myself if I had a pipe bender. I don't have a pipe bender. So that's why I went to him. Other than that, I could have did this myself. I just don't do enough exhaust work to justify buying a pipe bender. So, with that being said, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get this pulled out. We're going to put it over there, the pipe in the vise. And I think what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to try to take the grinder and grind that flange down smooth. I hope it works. Oh man, I hope it works. And then when we put this back on, we're gonna seal it with Permatex Ultra Copper gasket. So those two is gonna butt up flush, like as I said right here. It's gonna be just like that. Is how it should have been, and it should have sealed, and we should be good. I'm hoping. So if I mill it down, it'll make it flat. It doesn't have a protruding edge like it does now, as you can see. That which would have locked into this if we had to use this, but we're not using this. So I'm gonna get this out, show you guys what I'm doing, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I think it literally just took me honestly 2 minutes to just get this pipe out. I do like that fact of how he done that. But now this is what we got. Now you guys can see good. See the ridge? And it's been leaking the whole time. You see all the black soot around it? And I'm going to tell you, you know how it's been leaking. Because this is the bottom one. And it's perfectly fine. Look at that. Clean. Ain't been leaking. So, I don't know why I didn't catch it. It just got louder and louder as I went on. You know, starting, stopping, tuning. It just got louder. So this is the back here. And what I was saying is, this is a female to female. I mean, yeah, female to female. It's supposed to be like that. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't have you in the frame. That's the way it's supposed to be. And seal. So, instead of re-welding and doing all that good stuff, what I think I'm going to do is just grind down that flange where it's flat. And this also gives me a good opportunity to re-wrap this, because I wrapped this in the car, so now I can wrap it out the car, and I can wrap it a little bit better. I think it'll look pretty good. Wrap it, and then I can actually get around here. So, and I can go down a little further. But it's working, keeping the heat down. But this is what I want to show you guys. See that? See, look. See how that locks in there? Because of that ridge. But the turbo side does not do that. So, we're going to have to eliminate this here. So, we're going to get it in the vise. See how that works? So, we're going to get it in the vise. Smooth that down, hopefully. Stainless steel is so hard to grind. So, we're going to see. But we'll be back. Alright, guys. So, we got it grinding down. Actually, it wasn't that bad. As you can see there, that flange is gone. And now, this is what the backside of the turbo looks like. Smooth. And this is what we should end up with. Flat to flat. And we're going to use the Ultra Copper Permatex to seal any imperfections that we got in it. Just like using the gasket. I believe they do make a copper gasket you can put in between these, but that'll work perfectly fine, guys. I'm finding out with this turbo stuff, don't spend the money on gaskets. Just Permatex it. You will be satisfied because Boost will blow gaskets out quick. This Permatex seems to hold up good. I went on and rewrapped it. As you can see, I got all those gaps. I had a gap right here where my O2 goes. Got it wrapped all nice and neat. Guys, it's not rocket science to wrapping. If you want me to do a video on it, I will do a video on it. But it's not rocket science. And don't go buy that expensive wrap from AutoZone or Advance. I'll show you here. Forgot how many feet it is. But I had a whole roll like this. This roll here was like that roll. 2 rolls and 2 bags of these stainless steel cable ties. And I think I paid $24 to my door. Cheap. Dirt cheap off eBay. Probably Amazon has the same. So guys, just go that route. You come out cheaper. While we had it out, I wanted to put it back in the night, but it probably won't happen. I went on and painted the lower. The lower doesn't need to be wrapped because it's underneath the car. I'm doing this to keep temperatures underneath the car under, control. And I want to keep that sinister Darth Vader look. So I just went on and painted that on up. So if you want to know what I used, I didn't use regular paint. Where is it at? I just had this around the shop, guys. High heat grill paint. It actually works really good. I have bought I know you guys are gonna say they got exhaust paint out there. Yes, they do. That grill paint to me works a lot better. I don't know why. Maybe it's formulated for hotter heat, more direct heat. I don't know, but I've tried on some exhaust and it's holding up so far, and it dries like that right there. So nice. I ain't even gonna say satin. It's true flat. So I'm gonna get this back in, guys. It probably won't be tonight, but that was my issue I was having. I think I got it fixed. I'll let you guys know back in the next video. So make sure you tune in. Make sure you like, share, and I think there's going to be a giveaway coming. So with that being said, make sure you're a subscriber, because if you're not a subscriber, you won't be able to enter the giveaway. And I think all my Buick Grand National guys are going to like the giveaway. So it's going to come real soon, within the next 2 weeks. And I'm probably going to give away, I'm thinking, 3 pieces. So somebody's going to be lucky and get a nice piece. So with that being said, I'm out, guys. It's your boy Jordy B. Tune back in and see that I get that exhaust fix. Out.